Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's DIYs are all fall themed and Thanksgiving related. So let's start with DIY number one. For this, I got this beautiful Give Thanks banner, and I wanted to redecorate it with some more colors of my choice. So I'm starting with painting this big pumpkin with this beautiful green color chalk paint, and this is celery green, and I'm painting all over inside this pumpkin. And I also painted the small pumpkin with the blue chalk paint. For some reason I lost the footage, and after they're painted I'm just drawing with this white paint pen those lines, and I'm also painting those leaves and acorns and all those fall decorative pieces around the pumpkins with this beautiful green and this blue paint. And after all of them are dried well, the paint is dried well, I'm just taking one of this ribbon which has beautiful verbiage saying give thanks and all kind of beautiful fall verbiage, and I just created a small bow, and I attached one of this green hydrangea and this blue hydrangeas to decorate it, and some of this corn pieces around the ribbon to actually decorate this top part of this beautiful banner. And I also created a tassel using the jute twine and attached to the base of this cute banner, and this completes the look of it. And for some reason the color kind of bleeded little bit beyond the blue one to yellow one, and that's something that I'm not really happy with. But other than that, this is a cute decor that I like it, so please let me know your thoughts. Video would be part of Craft Your Stash Pumpkins theme, and this is hosted by Tosha from Sunflower Tosha DIYs, and I'm the co-host today, and I'm so happy to be part of this beautiful collab. Thank you so much, Tosha. I'm going to link her crafting channel in the description box as well as link to the playlist, so please watch all of her videos and give lots of love. And there is a giveaway of $50 Amazon gift card, and these are some of the rules to follow. So please watch all of our videos and comment on your favorite projects on each creator's video, and this will end on 4th October 12 p.m. MST. Please mark your calendars for October 5th. We will be announcing the winner in our community tab, and this is only for US residents, please, because there is a shipping cost involved in it. So yeah, good luck to all of you. On to DIY number two. For this DIY, I just got this beautiful kitchen towel which has give thanks and lot of pumpkins in a pumpkin truck. Not a truck, it's actually a trolley, and I love those colors and also the beautiful decor on it. So I wanted to decorate this as a wall art, so I just stuck this onto one of this wall art piece and with hot glue, and I stuck some of this maple leaf and fall decorative pieces with a burlap, brown burlap bow. And yeah, this is one of the cute easy decor that you can decorate. I'm planning to put it around the kitchen, but it can be decorated anywhere around the house, and this is one of the simple decor that you can decorate with this. If you see some nice towels, this is one of the way you can decorate it. So yeah, this is one of my favorites today. I hope you would like it, so let me know your thoughts. Got a kit from WoodBests, and this is actually wooden Zigsaw puzzle kit, and they are having autumn sale going on. Buy two get one free with the shipping free for $59 and above. if you purchase, and there are so many ideas that you can pick which will fit your decor. And for example, I want to show this one. This is such a beautiful decor, and it's you can customize the decor with your name, and you can sit down with your family and spend some quality time to make as a teamwork to build this project. And also it's eco-friendly, all of these pieces are, and it can be a great gift idea for your loved ones. And like I said, you can customize like they're showing here. I am actually very much interested in this product, and they sent me a few of them that I will also share with you how they look. And they are very easy to buy, like any website. You can use your credit card and stuff like that. I don't need to tell you all those details. And this is another one that I'm also interested in, the peacock. All the shapes are all part of the animals, and it's easy to fit on all those Zigsaw puzzle kit. And it also comes with a wooden box, and all the pieces in a small pouch with a stand. And I will show what I did with some of the ideas. And I also got one of this beautiful 3D piece, which looks like it's also in a 3D location, and I picked one of this sea themed one. After I stuck all these pieces together, I attached with a wood glue so they stay in place, and I wanted to frame it, and that's what I did. I'm going to show how I did that in just a second. So these are some of the kits that I received. This is one of the beautiful jewel peacock, and this is the 3D sea theme under the ocean. And the next one is stained glass art. I just loved this lotus design. And let me open one of this jewel peacock. I wanted to work on this first. See how beautiful this is. Now this is the easel that you can place your design. Now for now I'm going to put this peacock, and after that I'm going to decorate with the final end product. And this is a pouch. It comes with all the Zigsaw puzzle pieces. And I'm going to convert this wooden box into a jewelry organizer, which I'll show later. For now, let's start putting all these pieces together. Now I'm going to spread all these pieces and see which pieces fits where, and I'm going to take off-screen time and put all these pieces, and will show when I'm completely done. So this is the last piece I'm fitting in. Now I'm going to take wood glue, and I'm going to stick it together, all these pieces, and so they all stand in one place, and I'm planning to frame it on a canvas. For now, this is how it looks after they're all stuck with wood glue, and I'm going to put it on easel and show it for now, but later I'm going to hang it on a canvas, which I'll show later. And this is a very beautiful project, I tell you guys. This jewel peacock looks like really a metallic piece until you come close and see those jigsaw lines. Otherwise, it's such a beautiful decor piece that you can place anywhere around the house. And I'm so happy how this turned out. Thank you so much, WoodBests, for sending this good quality product, and I'm very grateful. Moving on to DIY number 3. This is one of the cute thankful sign, and this is on the galvanized pumpkin with this beautiful wooden board with the thankful with a lot of pumpkins decor on it. So I'm going to take this brown color wooden board that I got from Dollar Tree recently, and I'm just taking generous amount of hot glue on those galvanized ridges, and I'm going to stick it on top of this brown wooden sign. And I'm also going to stick this maple leaf, which is also metallic, and it has got like nice what is this color called, as rose pink, metallic rose gold. And I'm going to stick that with this beautiful bow, which has fall plaid all over, and a lot of fall decorative pieces, flowers, pumpkin, leaves, greenery, everything. So this is one of the cute simple sign that you can, everything made from Dollar Tree, including the greenery and bow. So this is something that you can make easily from Dollar Tree items and decorate your house for fall. And yeah, this is one of it that I want to share with y'all. I hope you like it, so please let me know your thoughts. to DIY number 4. For this DIY, these are all hacks, by the way, all of them are hacks in this DIY. So I'm just taking this beautiful pumpkin shaped glass jar with a lid. So I'm just going to stick this window cling which says give thanks, and I'm going to also give like 1 coat of Mod Podge on top of it to seal the sticker. And I'm sticking some of this wooden piece and maple leaves and flowers and one of this cute corn to actually decorate the top and convert this into a beautiful pumpkin. And you can store some of this fall candies or anything, or even you can use it as a candle. You can put some electric motive inside and it will glow into a beautiful glowing pumpkin. And I also stuck some of the other window clings. You can see that all around the jar. And yeah, this is one of the cute decorative piece that you can decorate anywhere around the house. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to the second one of the same hack. This is one of the cute book stack which has beautiful verbiage: thankful, grateful, blessed. And I'm also doing some of this wooden piece and all this maple leaf decoration on top of it to convert this into a cute pumpkin. Like you see, I'm attaching some foxtail, some berries around it, and some white pumpkin and maple leaf on top of it to convert this into a beautiful bookstack pumpkin, I would say. And I just love how this looked, and I wanted to, instead of making it into a bookstack, I want to convert this into a pumpkin, and I'm glad it turned out great. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. A rolling pin with some more decor, and these are some of my social media handles if you'd like to connect with me. And this is the final reveal of all the DIYs today, you guys. And I wanted to use this as Thanksgiving decor DIYs, and you can decorate all these pieces from fall to Thanksgiving. And these are some of the simple ideas and everything that you get from Dollar Tree. You don't have to spend much to decorate into a beautiful decoration around the house, I would say. And yeah, I'm actually very happy of how all these turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. If you like any of these ideas and would like to join the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join. And please don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get updated when I upload videos like this. And I want to take a moment to thank all of you for taking some time to watch this video from your busy schedule. It means a lot to me, you guys. Thank you, and I'm very grateful and thankful for this. And I wanted to let you enjoy the final reveal. Until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen, like I always say. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.